Matilda Ernkrans. Matilda Elisabeth Ernkrans, born 12 March 1973, is a Swedish politician of the Social Democratic Party. She has served as Minister for International Development Cooperation since November 2021 and previously served as Minister for Higher Education and Research January 2019 to November 2020. She has been a member of the Riksdag since 2006 and a replacement member of the Riksdag from 2002 to 2006. Early life and education. Ernkrans was born in Holsberg. Political career. In 2002, Ernkrans was elected to the Riksdag from Örebro County. From 2004 to 2006, she was a member of the Committee on Cultural Affairs. From 2006 to 2010, she was a member of the Committee on Social Insurance. From 2010-2018, she was chair of the Committee on Environment and Agriculture. In 2018, she was chair of the Committee on Education. Other activities. Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency (MIGA), World Bank Group, ex officio alternate member of the Board of Governors since 2021. World Bank, ex officio alternate member of the Board of Governors since 2021.